Greetings, I'm Geofatboy. I make shaving videos and sell shaving supplies. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving needs. Have a great shave, have a great day. Greetings gents, I'm Geofatboy for shavenation.com. One of my previous videos was from Adam, the paramedic. It was by request for him, and he was talking about how he sometimes works 48-hour shifts and needs to shave in the middle of a shift so that he can keep his skin nice and smooth for a good seal on his N95 mask. So I did a video in response to that. I'll put a link up there, you can check it out. And I used the Mula R41, which is a very aggressive shaving razor, and you kind of have to take your time with this razor because it's a beast. You can't really go as fast as you'd like to with it, or at least I can't. I need to take it a little bit slower with this one. You don't want to rush through your shave with this razor. I thought today what I'd like to do, I'll call it the double shift shave, and what I'll use is a razor that's not as aggressive, but you can shave much quicker with it. And I'm looking at a 2-pass shave, and from beard growth right here to baby smooth. And here's how we're going to accomplish that. I will use I don't know if you know this or not, but the Taylor of Old Bond Street shaving creams, they come in tubes as well. So I'll use this TOBS Jermyn Street, designed for sensitive skin, shaving cream. And then I'll lather it up in my Shave Nation palm bowl right here. And I'll use the Chubby 1 brush. And the tips on this brush are not normally red. They're normally, they normally look like this. But this one happens to be red. I'll put a link up here. You can check out why. I'll mix up the lather with the Chubby 1 brush. And the razor I'll use is the Shave Nation Step Up razor. You're going to step up your shave with this razor. It's got curves in the handle, grooves. As you can see, it comes in 2 versions, polished chrome or satin chrome. Here's polished and here's satin. This will be a middle of the road aggressive shaving razor. Not too mild, not too aggressive. Excellent for every day, excellent for fast shaving. I'll use the polished version today. It's got Shave Nation laser etched into the head, as you can see. Here's a look at the handle. And the reason it's called the step razor, step up, is because you can grip it right here if you want less weight on the head, and grip it down here at the second curve right here for more weight on the head, which will make it a little more aggressive and you won't have to apply any pressure with it. It's got very pronounced checkered knurling up here near the top, another ring here, a larger ring toward the bottom, and 3 smaller rings right at the very base. The bottom is blank, no logo. It's a 3-piece razor. Let's unscrew the handle, separate the top cap from safety bar. This razor comes with the Shave Nation blade sampler right here, which gives you 1 blade each of Astra, Shark, Derby, Feather, and Gillette. So I will use the feather blade, which that's what the case looks like for a feather blade. Let's remove one from the wrapper right here. Place that over the pins and the post, just like that. Top cap to safety bar, reinstall the handle. And just tighten it down fully. Let's check that reveal. Oh, beautiful. Perfect on both sides. You can see it. It's even, straight across on both sides. And very small amount of blade overhang on the outside. Up here, very small amount. So that's the razor I'll use today. We'll finish up with the Shave Nation wide stick Alum block. And then, along the same lines of the shaving cream, Taylor of Old Bond Street, Jermyn Street, luxury aftershave cream for sensitive skin. All right, palm bowl, Jermyn Street shaving cream. Let's warm up the bowl. Crack the cap on the Jermyn Street cream, squirt a little bit right in here. I like how it comes out like spaghetti, just like that. Let's warm up the brush. I'll just soak it under hot water. If you're on a shift, you're probably not going to have a cup, so I'll just soak the brush under the hot water. Remove the bulk of the water. We'll go right in here, see if we can mix a lather. A little bit of water. Smells just like the regular sandalwood that comes in the tub. As you can see, I've already got lather, enough for a couple passes. Doesn't take long at all. Okay, that's enough for a couple passes for sure. Let's set that down. I'll warm up my face. We'll get right to the shave. Whew, good and hot. All right, here we go. Let's lather up. Start at the right side. Just work our way across. Nice thick lather. Work it into the beard, soften it, hydrate the beard, prepare it for the shave ahead. Little figure eight, smooth everything out. The Zen moment of the shave right here. All right, set that down. Clear the runways so we can see the sideburns. Dry the fingers real quick. Let's warm the razor under the hot water. And I'll grip it down at the bottom. I like a little more weight on the head. Start perpendicular, tilt the handle slightly out. Let's see if we can rip through the shave. Right side's filled, rinse that off. Left side, same way. Very good, rinse that. Mustache. Excellent. First pass done. If you're smooth enough, you can stop right now. Just a quick rinse and I'll re-lather. Now just a slight layer of shaving cream. Doesn't take much. You've already removed the bulk of the beard. It's good. Clear the runways again. All right, here we go. Now we'll start from the bottom up. Across the grain. Backhand. Just a little cleanup down there. Across the mustache. That's it. A final rinse with cold water. Now we'll take the Shave Nation wide stick alum block, soak it under the cold water. Just glide that around all the areas you shaved. Excellent finish to the shave. If you happen to get any small nicks, this will seal them off. Any weepers, micro nicks, whatever you want to call it. Let that soak in for about 30 seconds and then rinse it off. Pat the face dry. Let's crack open the Jermyn Street Luxury Aftershave Cream. Little squirt in the fingertips, like so. Not too much. Massage that right into the beard. Not much of a scent as it's designed for sensitive skin. Work that right in. Soften. Protect the face, provide a nice invisible layer of protection. Great if you're in a cold weather climate. And you can apply it to your forehead as long as you don't break out, but if you break out, then you can refrain from doing that part of it. Just do the cheeks and the rest of your face. There you go, a pretty quick 2-pass shave, the double shift shave. I had about 3 days worth of beard growth. Down to baby smooth, cheeks, super smooth, neck, chin, mustache, everything. Nice and smooth. Here's a final look at the razor. And by the way, I forgot to give the specs, but I'll give you the specs right now. This razor weighs in at 4 ounces, or 113 grams, and the overall length from top to bottom is 3.6 inches or 92 millimeters. Very nice feeling razor, hefty enough, feels great in the hand, and the steps make it very easy to grip, even with soapy or shaving cream laden fingers, no problem whatsoever. The steps and the knurling on the handle, very easy to grip. Excellent shaving razor, as you can see, great for everyday, every other day use. It got me baby smooth in a quick 2 passes. Jermyn Street shaving cream and aftershave cream both performed very well. And the Simpsons Chubby 1 brush, no problem mixing up a lather. It's already looking a little bit less pink from using white shaving cream. The Shave Nation Palm Bowl, perfect size for your DOP case. And by the way, all these items will fit in just about any DOP case, no problem whatsoever. Feather blade, if you want to get the job done quickly, that's the one you want. And the Shave Nation wide stick alum block, excellent finish to the shave. Do me a favor before I head out, click the link down there, subscribe to my YouTube channel, then go up there and click the bell, and then click all, so you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. They'll go right to your inbox and you won't miss any. If you want to pick up any of these items, the step-up razor, the creams, bowl, blades, brush, anything, click below the video where it says show more, and you can grab them right there. Just click on those links down there, or go to shavenation.com, enter what you need in the search box, it'll pop right up. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.